Welcome to watching high-sharp facial recognition product demo video. When someone passing by the camera, this system will capture a snapshot of this man. If you want to register this face as a member of whitelist or blacklist, you could click the function button as the red circle location. Click register. Input the reference information related to this face. Select a group for this face. If you want to define a new group name, please click Add Group button. For example, we create a group named Hi. Select the Hi group that we just created. About the other information, you could write those optionally. After you enroll a face, the system could recognize this man when he passed by again. You could see this man has been recognized correctly by this system. You could identify the person name and similarity rate of the comparison result immediately. Next, we will demo how to search the information via a face. For example, this man gets into this room. We like to know all the time frame about him. Please click the left button of mouse here. You could click search. The system will show all the record about this face. You could also filter via match results. Back to Snapshoot tab. You could click one of the snapshot to play back the video footage, to check what he did. Still, you could add this face into target database here. When you finish register, click exit to set the enroll process. Here is the demo product combination list. Thank you for watching.